guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Coach MC. You're watching SLE Canada, the place to be for international students who want to study, live, and explore the opportunities here in Canada. So today it's a very quick video because we got big news today from Marco Mendocino, and they announced new pathways for healthcare workers, essential workers, and including international students. So for this video, I'm gonna focus on the new pathway that they just recently announced today. So they have three categories. First is the healthcare professionals. They got essential workers. They also have international graduates. For healthcare and essential workers, you need to have at least 1 year work experience here in Canada. For international graduates, it doesn't say anything about 1 year work experience, but you must be currently employed here in Canada. So for healthcare professional, which is the category A, you need to be listed on the NOC code put on the Annex A. So you have to look at the Annex A and watch out if your NOC code is listed there. And they're going to invite 20,000 healthcare professional under this category. For the second category, which is the essential workers, they're going to invite 30,000 essential workers, and please do check the NOC code listed on Annex B. So these are more on construction, so agriculture, more on carpenters, sheet metal workers, more on trade. So not a lot of essential workers are listed. You have to still check the Annex B. The third one, which is for my favorite people watching me on this on my YouTube channel, is for international graduates. So for international graduate, I want to look into that because I'm so confused on what they said on the recent news. If you want to explore international education here in Canada, and if you're not sure how to apply for your study permit and how to choose your program, please do check out in the description box because I have a free workshop coming up, and this workshop is about how to choose the best program so that you avoid refusal, you avoid study permit refusal here in Canada. Do check out that, do check that out. Please do check that out after watching this video. So now let's dive into the eligibility of international students. So first one is that you must complete the program from a designated learning institution, meaning you must graduate from a publicly funded school, or if it's a private school, is the program eligible? Is it a degree? Again, for private school, not a lot of programs are going to satisfy again this new pathway. So if you're a graduate from a publicly funded school, you don't have to worry about that. And then the second one that you need to meet is that, is your credential a bachelor's degree? Is it a diploma? Is it a certificate? If it's a certificate, it needs to be at least 8 months in duration. So you have to watch out for that one. So when you are studying here in Canada, one factor that they're going to check is that, do you have a study permit when you were studying here in Canada? And fourth one is you must be employed in Canada with a valid permit to work here in Canada. It does not say anything about 1 year work experience. So now I'm thinking that the 1 year work experience is only applicable for the category 1, which is the healthcare professional, and the essential worker, which is the category 2. So they also mention here the English proficiency that they require from you, which is CLB5. CLB5. Really. Some of the points that they mention, it's pretty straightforward, but those are the things that, like, main eligibility requirements that you need or you must know. When you scroll down under the public policy, I noticed the Annex A. So there's eligible skilled trades under this new pathway for international graduates. So I noticed that there is industrial, electrical, construction trades. They also have under maintenance equipment operations. They're all in trades, to be honest, and under manufacturing utilities control, and cooks, and if you're a butcher or baker. So I just want to put this out. that not a lot of international students will be eligible for this category, for this new pathways. So please do double check the Annex A under international graduate category, because again, you don't want to be like, okay, I'm gonna submit my application now, and then boom, you found out that your NSC is not even included in the Annex A mentioned on this new pathway. So my 3 key points that I want to share with you guys, especially international graduates, is that if you have the time to take the IELTS exam, do so. If you have the time to process your educational credential assessment, do it now. Do not wait until they have implemented this new pathways, because again, you're missing out the opportunity here. Because I got a lot of friends who graduated from last year. They really wanted to apply for permanent residency. However, they don't have the IELTS exam done. They don't have educational credential assessment. So how can they be able to apply for permanent residency like this one? You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know if next month there's going to be another pathway, right? So if you want to be permanent resident here in Canada right away, do your due diligence. Make sure that you have all your documents ready. So the next one is that if you are about to come here to Canada, for example, if you're a dependent spouse, if you are going to look for a job offer, make sure that you focus on the essential industry. You have the sign here. Canada is looking for healthcare professionals. They're looking for trades. They're looking for construction workers. If you want to strategize your immigration pathway here in Canada, you have this opportunity that you can maximize, right? Get a job offer related to essential industry. Third main key point that I want to share with you guys, if you're an aspiring international student, you're just saying that, oh, this is only for international graduates. This is actually for you as well. You're going to take that path as well in the next 1 year or 2 years, right? Now you know that I want to focus on this program, so you can double check the program. What's the career outcome of the program? You still have the chance to change your life. You still have the chance to strategize your permanent residence here in Canada by choosing the right program, right? So those are the main key points that I want to share with you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button. And I have another video coming up tomorrow about life in Saskatchewan. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!